Hello and welcome to the course about securing endpoints with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solution. Now let's take a look at what this course is all about. This course is divided into 9 sections. First of all, we're going to go through some basics of Microsoft Defender for Endpoints to learn basic things about what are mandatory license plans you need to purchase before you can gain access to wanted product capabilities. And what are some other requirements as well, how to protect devices from other platforms besides Windows. Next, in second section, you'll learn about what are the most important capabilities and features of this solution, and technologies built in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. And we will explain architecture to see how are all different capabilities, features, and technologies of Defender for Endpoint combined together in one single solution. Third section is going to teach you how different organizational architectures affect process of Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solution implementation and what needs to be done on endpoint machines before deployment of Defender for Endpoint solution. You will see different available methods to onboard devices from different platforms and steps to do it. In next section, which is about endpoint security assessment, you'll see how to test capabilities of Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solution in the easiest possible way with the help of Evaluation Lab. Fifth section is about endpoint security strengthening using features like threat and vulnerability management and attack surface reduction. In next section, you will learn how to respond to security issues with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. For example, you will learn how endpoint detection and response handles things if some malicious file escapes all lines of defense and gets executed on endpoint machine. And on top of that, you will learn how automated investigation and remediation works in terms of respondents to security issues. Next section is about APIs and how you can use them to pull Microsoft Defender for Endpoint data. Eighth section is about reporting capabilities. We will see how you can pull reports with Power BI. And at last section, we will take a look on how to integrate Microsoft Defender for Office 365 with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. When we talk about prerequisites for this course, there is nothing special, since all of the administration and configuration is done through Microsoft Defender for Endpoint administration portal, and all you need is internet connection and browser. And of course, you certainly need some basic IT knowledge to be able to follow contents of this course. Now we're done with the introduction and let's start with this course.